Okay, here we are back again. Before we install our themes, let's go to find one real quick. So we're going to take WordPress themes, just put it into the search engine here, paste, and search for WordPress themes. And we should come up right here, wordpress.org/themes. Now when you're selecting your theme, you can pick anything that you really like that stands out to you that would go with your niche, but this is what I like to use, and it's a lot better than a lot of these others that I think about because you can do so much more. And it's this News Mix Lite. Let's grab more information on it so you can see it. See this News Mix Lite? Alright. And the reason I like this because when you have visitors coming, you do different things across here. Then you have your trending now section, and you can set this up, and it makes a really nice site here. And also you can have your banner up here at the top, by 468 by 60 of any CPA offer that you might want to put across the top. And that's the News Mix Lite. So make a note of that because I'm going to go install that. Okay, so here we are back at our WordPress blog, and the username was admin, and the password I believe was 123 password. Let's see if that logs us in. Yep, we're in. Okay, that looks good. Now what I was talking about a while ago in this multi-sites is right here where it says my sites. Network admin. Network admin would be where you want to install your themes, plugins, anything else that you want to put in. Okay, and the reason this is, it's like sites. Okay, you can come in here, and so right now we have cashback travel flights. Okay, but what if we want cruises? Okay, we can add a new site. Just add a new site right here. And put in here is cruise specials. Whoops, specials. Okay, so we have cruise specials. And then fill that out. Cruise special deals, whatever you would like to put in there. There's admin. Okay, and so then you just add your site. So you can add as many sites as you want to from your site. So then when you come back up here and you go to visit sites, go to sites, and it's right there, cruise specials. Okay, that's another site. So you can just add as many sites as you want to off the main site, working inside WordPress all the time. Okay, so let's go and add us a theme. We'll go back over here. We're going to go to themes. And then we want to add a new theme. And the name of that one was News Mix Lite. So we're going to search themes for popular. Let's go to News Mix. There it is. Want this one right here. We'll install it. That's all you have to do. See how easy that was? Hope I didn't get too fast, because that's all you had to do. Search it, find it, and click install. Network enable. Enable that for the whole network. News Mix Lite is now in. Okay. We don't need 2015. Okay. Alrighty. We'll get to work on some more of the theme. I want to show you some plugins in just a minute that you want to put in for your videos and different things. Let's move on.